What's up, y'all? So for this episode of the Ayuka Show, we got something new. I'm moving into my new apartment in Brooklyn, New York, and I want to show you guys the process, show you what it's like, and show you what type of apartment you could get. 2 people, $2,300. I'm paying $1,050 a month. Pretty good deal in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that. Let's get into it. Just finished taking out the boxes for the living room and the kitchen. It's looking pretty spacious, I gotta say. I'm happy with it. I wish there was a little more storage in the kitchen area, like some more drawers and stuff. But I love the open space, and the fact that we have the washer dryer is huge. Now we're gonna go into my bedroom. Let's go. Here's my room. Nothing unpacked yet. Slept on the ground last night on some pillows. And this is what you can get for $1,050 a month in Brooklyn. It's pretty nice. So, did a bunch more work in here. All boxes gone. Cow rug in. Tree on the side. Now I'm just waiting for the bed frame, the bed, and the storage so I can move all this stuff out. And that's coming in like 1 or 2 days. So tomorrow I'm gonna film it, and then y'all gonna see what it looks like when my room is finished. Hey everybody, I just finished and I got all the boxes out. Only like 2 boxes left. Then the living room and the kitchen is gonna be clean. I got my roommate moving in a couple of days, so I'm probably gonna wait until then to get the sofa and table and whatnot, but man, I'm feeling good to have pretty much all the boxes out, and I'm gonna start putting up art now. And I just had to share this to you guys as a testament to how God provides. I was walking down the street and I came upon storage drawers, like a little dresser and an entire couch that's gonna fit right here. And then I'll be able to put my painting up right here. So it's just crazy. Every time you need something, you know, you just pray for it and God will provide it for you. And we're back. Alright, y'all. Obviously, the apartment looks super different. I took a couple of days break just to wait for furniture to come in. Bought a bookshelf. I got all my bed sheets and stuff right here. And I wanted to film again because the mattress and the bed frame came in, so I'm gonna be able to finish my room today. And I thought it would be fun to watch with you guys the opening of the mattress because it's vacuum sealed. So when it opens up, it's gonna go. And I want to show y'all that, so let's get it. Wow, that did not do what I thought it was gonna do, but I can hear the air coming in right now. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty comfy. Yeah, I got all my extra storage right here. Let's go. Alright, let's take a walk through. Got a little painting I'm working on right now. Lunch earlier. Look at that. Come on now. We got an apartment on our hands. Pull-up bar, Honestly, I thought that the space right here wouldn't even be enough for the chair, but 100% there's enough space. I even got storage down here. It's a full bed. Got my art, got my bed light, everything I need. This can open all the way. Praise God.